Kwa majina naitwa Lydia Chepngetich kutoka Bomet County na sisi ni Women Human Rights Defenders Bomet County. Tumekuwa hapa kutoka jana na leo na tumekuwa tukiongelelea issues ya violations zenye ziko rampant in Bomet County against women and also children na pia wazee. So we've been here with my fellow human rights defenders to actually tunataka kujifunza how safe are we in the community when you are talking about issues of human rights. We are talking about how do we involve the community, to involve the community so that they can understand that a right to human being is a right to everyone. It's a right to a woman, it's a right to a child, it's a right to a man, it's a right even to other gender diverse people who are within the community. So tumekuwa hapa, tumekuwa na organization inaitwa Women Human Rights Defenders Hub ambao wametu support kuwa hapa for 2 days for a 3 days training, and that is why tumekuwa hapa, na tunashukuru sana this organization and other partners ambao wako Bomet County kwa sababu tumejua this year tumekuwa na changamoto mingi sana Bomet County. We've had a lot of human rights violations that are going on. Tumekuwa on the limelight. Now we see with the support of the partners, we see we can push some things because najua tutamaliza because culture is really a barrier to maybe fighting those violations that are happening katika county yetu. So with time we know at least tutaelewana kama community, wazee wa mama, na pia so that we can make our community safe, we can make our community a good place to live in.